Okay, I thought I'd do a quick video on these Banggood motorcycle LED headlamps. Now they look a bit small for headlamps, but here we go. Let's take them apart and see what we've actually got. It's quite interesting that, oh, there we go. Right, we have a 4-in-1 lens, and we have a board covered in the usual gunk that the Chinese seem to love. 12-volt supply, and let's have a look. They're using an unnamed chip. Let's see if I can read that. Let's get a magnifier. Turn it the right way around, I might be able to see it. (56AB) CHSU 3V.1-8 A05A. And what else have we got in here? Just standard capacitors, -40 to 105, so they're expecting it to be used outside. A couple of diodes. There must be about 3 watt LEDs, I would imagine. Let's have a look. What else have we got? There's slots there for another diode and another 2 resistors. I don't know whether you can see that on the camera. That should be in just about here. What have we got here? We've got V minus, plus on that LED, and I don't quite know whether that's a solder splot or something there. As I say, oh, it's not actually stuck down, it is floating, but it is a nice big aluminium heatsink, and you've got this wonderful, very tight ball assembly, which is again quite good. You don't want it coming loose while you're driving. And alright, let's see what it looks like powered on. Just get the bench supply in. Single 4 watt or 4 LED unit. Let's check the power supply. Right, the power supply is at 13.8 volts and it's showing half an amp, and yes, that is considerably brighter than probably what the camera will handle. It's probably going to wipe out the screen. The plastic 4-in-1 lens is quite a strange idea, but there we go. That's with the lens on. It adds some sort of directivity. It's quite an interesting one. It would be nice to know the actual angle of each of those lenses, but on the whole, a rather nice little unit. Let's see how that's turned out for my first video. Thank you very much. This is George signing off.